not be clap. Okay, last one to ha. If you did not practice, hindi ka nakapag-practice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Agnes, can you come up here? Sino pa? Hi, good afternoon, ma'am. We're having fun here. Sorry, we're having fun. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the debutante. Okay, want to practice? Go!
Saan siya nagdaan? Galing. Hinihintay siya sa baba. Kanina pa siya doon.
The #1 news team in the Philippines. Good afternoon. Of course, you know what I wish for yesterday. More sales, more collection, less expense, and an ATM machine. So I want to thank PS Bank for making my birthday wish come true. That
Birthday wish come true talaga yan.
Something to withdraw. But that starts with they always have blocks to deposit.
Yes.
So thank you for making it easier for us because it can and be customer driven because it was although we were just across there's a lot of security problems that we were concerned about. So thank you for responding to our feedback. So again, to all of us, may we have lots to deposit so we can draw when we need. So here's to inquire.